Hi, what's up? This is Smith Sanke, and today I'm going to unbox GoPro Train, all the accessories that I bought it from Amazon. It's here. Let's find out what's inside. Uh, it says UCWay Action Camera Accessories Pack. Trust me, it has everything what you need. Okay. It comes with the leather case, nice leather case. Let me take the plastic off. Not bad. It has a UCWare logo over here. Not bad. I bought it for $50. And ooh, a bunch of accessories. I don't know where to start now. Okay, let's go with this tripod. Okay. Ooh, nice tripod. First, you got this. Oh, okay, real long stick to hold your GoPro. And let me see, what's that? Probably, yeah. It's, oh, I don't know what's that, but probably it used to hold something over here and add the GoPro over here, like this. Or this, just glue sticks, nothing, empty plastic. Oh, the GoPro 10 is already waterproof, but this makes you like more waterproof, like until 60 mm or something. It's nice. I got this. Oh, this is for stick. Just stick it on the wall or in your car and add the GoPro, and you can shoot everything from your dashboard. So was that? Oh, it's just a metal cable to hold in something like this, or you can put it in your yeah, just a metal cable to hold in. What is this? This is cable. Oh, okay. It has everything. What accessory used for what? It says everything. Okay, let's keep this besides. Probably I need this later because I don't know what's used for what. It's just a pouch. What is this? Ah, that's pretty neat. Look at these lenses. I got it for two lenses. Oh no, it's three of the different sizes. I don't know what what curves, like I don't know what's that, what is this used for. But I got three lenses. Like for the shades, like sun. I'll try it later. I'll let you know. This, I don't know what is this. It's just grow. What's that? It look like a chest strap. I got a tempered glass for GoPro. It's really worth it for $50 because if I go to the GoPro.com and if I try to buy accessories, anything, it's like almost one accessory cost around It's like 40-50 bucks, and for 49.99 for this everything, it's worth it. I don't even know how to wear this. Let me try. uh, Let me try my engineering mind. I'm waiting. Upside down. Okay, it's probably like this. No, this. It's too hard. Uh, okay, at least I connected this. Okay, this is nice. This one is a chest strap, so I can add my GoPro over here, and I can play a soccer. I will try one day. Yeah, soccer, anything. Or I can run. I can add my GoPro over here while running. That's neat. Okay, let's see a different accessory now. What is this? Some kind of bed. Okay, it looks like it's a hand bed. Just put it in your hand, add your GoPro over here, just run or shoot, whatever you want to do, or do climbing. Okay, this one is tripod to add this stick in the bottom. Oh man. Tight this. Okay. Now it can stand. Yep. Let me see what I got it. I don't know what is this used for. I will try to find out later. It's a bunch of curved surfaces for helmet or motorcycle. It just say UCV logo on it. It looks like it's a keychain or something. Yeah, some more screws, like bunch of more screws. Then, oh, this is another one. Probably I can do like this. Put it over here, stick it on the any curve or plane surface, and add this on the top. Yeah, add your GoPro. Yeah. I had the same thing like this from GoPro until and unless like it just on the with the GoPro it says the GoPro branding over here, and this is without the branding. And I think the material is almost same. It's not different, just there is no GoPro logo. And I don't think so if I put my camera over here it goes anywhere because it's tight. Yeah. Let's move on to someone else now. I have no idea what is this. But I will try to find it out. I don't know what's that. Same thing. I don't know what is this used for. Oh, it's a bicycle cam. Okay, just open this, put your bicycle handle on it, and you're good to go. I love that. I'll put it in my bicycle. Okay. This is for the probably camera. I don't know, just holding GoPro like this. Yeah, it's just like we use it same thing for a phone. Same. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's the silicone cover for the GoPro. See, one more thing for flat surface. Another one, another one. So many. I don't know where this one goes. These two. Okay, I will try to find it out where this one goes. Oh, okay. This goes on this surface, or is the plane, but this is for the car. Same thing. Oh, the clip. It's pretty strong. Okay, another tripod for this one. I just dropped it. Okay. This one is like plexical tripod, and it was as a pretty steep tripod. You can just put it like this. Just then. Just the cable to probably put it in a hand like this, and just do like this. Okay. I have no idea what is this for. I don't know where this one goes. I know I can connect the GoPro over here, but I don't know where to connect this one. I need to check the manual. Okay, some more stickers. What is this? That's the head strap. It's better than a chest strap. I can put my GoPro over here and I can play soccer or like whichever game, racquetball, squash, badminton. That's nice. I like this one. It just connect your stick over here at the GoPro, and you can use it like selfie stick. Some more screws, more stickers. I don't know what's that. It looks like an opener, but I don't know. I don't think so. It's opener. It's something else. I'll check the manual later. Just a cotton to clean my lenses. And the main stuff. I'll tell you what is this exactly. Okay, this stuff is like, it's look nothing, but it's so useful. Whenever you go for like swimming or scuba diving, anywhere, you can add the GoPro over here, just roam around. If you left your like GoPro inside the water, it will just float away and your GoPro in the surface. It's pretty cool. I love it. Now, if I'm trying to buy this from GoPro.com and it cost me over the single piece of $50, if it works, it's perfect. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget me to follow, like the video, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned.